All right, guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna do a quick unbox of the T9 Franklin. This is for T-Mobile Hotspot. If you guys follow my channel, you guys know that recently I got the tablet business $10 plan unlimited, and right now I've been using it with this, no, not this phone. I've been using it with this phone right here, and it's fine. However, I want to see if I can remove the SIM from there and put it in to this hotspot and see what's gonna happen. As far as the account wise, when I log into my account T-Mobile, it does show that it does recognize this phone right here. What is the Android North 200 5G? So we can do a quick speed test. Where is it at? Okay, so it's pretty fast. So let's see how fast it is. About 280, 260, 280, so at least about the average about 250 megabit per second, 271. Upload speed might not be as fast, about 16, 17, around there. Okay, so you can see this is on a 5G with full signal. Okay, so what does the T9 Franklin hotspots come with? I just unboxed it. Here, I think that's the basic what it is. I don't think there's any instructions, any manuals at all. And here's the back cover, and here is the device itself. And it does come with the battery and cable and the outlet to charge it. That's pretty much it. Okay, so now we're gonna insert the SIM and see if everything is working and see if we get the same speed if it's in the 5G phone or not. Okay, so I inserted the SIM card, the $10 one, the business tablet, unlimited data, and my phone is connected. And as you can see, it shows that it's on 3G and one device is connected. However, when I click on here, it keeps on saying error. And when I went into the Wi-Fi, it says that no internet connection. So I don't know if we need to set up or do any other adjustment in this hotspot for it to work. But as far as right now, out of the box, it is not working. All right, so another thing is when I check the data from the hotspot, it says that I only have 20 gigabyte and within the cycle. And so I just pop back my SIM into my 5G phones, and as you can see here, everything is unlimited, and I even get like 10 gigabyte of LTE hotspot. Okay, and then afterwards you go to 3G speed. Everything's here, I get it. Okay, however, for some reason it does not work with the T9 Franklin. So just so if any of you guys out there that are wondering, so I did it, it does not work. If any of you guys know how to change some kind of settings where you can make it work, let me know. That way, you know, I can try to use it too. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.